Hello designers, welcome to Alakoge YouTube channel, and this is 5 days bustier making challenge. So for the next 5 days, I'm going to be sharing different bustiers alteration on this channel, different designs, different alterations, especially the strapless ones. Okay, so you're going to be seeing different strapless pattern alterations of bustier. Okay, so if you're new here, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe. To the existing subscribers, thank you very much for being here. I appreciate you. So today we're going to be learning this strapless bustier with the sweetheart neckline. So that's what we're going to be learning in this video. So I have a very funny experience with making the strapless bustier like this. I'll share the story, okay? So that's why I'm okay, let's do something strapless. So different alterations of this on this channel. So that's why we're doing 5 days bustier making challenge. So if you're here, thank you. So without wasting too much time, let's just get right into the tutorial. Okay, let's get right into it. So to make this, you're going to need your basic bodice pattern. So I have the tutorial already on this channel, how to draft these basic bodies. So I'm going to leave the link in the comment section, so you can check the comment section to find the video for this. So first thing first, we're going to do underbust tightening. So to make your bustier, you need to understand underbust contouring. So this is just one of the several methods that I use for my underbust. I use this method, and also I have some other methods that I use, but this is just the simplest method of underbust contouring. So there's a detailed tutorial of this already on this channel. Check the comment section for the link to that tutorial. So once you're done with your underbust tightening, just understand the concept of underbust tightening. Then we're going to move to the overbust tightening. So before we do that, you need to find the midpoint between your neck point and your shoulder point, and you connect that to your bust point. Do you understand? So once you connect that to your bust point, go above your chest line between 1.5 or 2 inches. So I usually do between 1.5 or maximum of 2 for people that just want to be more covered. Then I'm going to do overbust tightening of 0.75 on both sides. Where you go above them, just tighten your overbust by 0.75 on both sides like that. Can you see how I'm connecting it? Then I'm going to now do the sweetheart neckline. So from the chest line, I go down by half inch. This is not a deep neckline, so I'm just going to connect there to this side, and the other side you're just going to connect it to your chest line. Okay, so this is the or what you need to achieve a perfect strapless bustier. Okay, a perfect strapless bustier. So before we go to the back, check your chest line. You need to check your chest line and keep the gaping dart. So whatever shortage you have on your pattern, there's going to be shortage because of the overbust tightening. Return it to the side of your pattern and connect to your underbust line. Okay, you need to do this. If you don't do this, you're going to have shortage. You're going to see another pattern alteration where I won't be returning it, and you're going to see the reason why for that. So for this here, you need to return, check your bust measurements on your chest line. Whatever shortage you have there, return it to the side. But at the back here, we're not doing so much. We're just going to do tightening a little bit on the dart there. So just 0.125 or 0.25 on both sides, and just blend it into the dart there. We just want to tighten the back there so that it will not gape at the back. So that's why you need to take this tightening a little. So this is just a little for the back there, and that's all the alteration that we need to do for our strapless bustier. Okay, this is basically what you need to do to make your strapless bustier. So you can decide to plot a pattern for strap, but this is strapless, so we're going to stop here for this. I hope we really understand this, but please, if you have any question, please drop them in the comment section. I'm going to attend to them. So right now you can see that I'm trying to cut out my pattern and blend it. You see how I try to blend it through my pattern? Please do exactly that. Okay, do exactly that. So I'm cutting out my pattern, and I'll go ahead to close my bust dart, open up. So just watch how I'm going to do. So this is basically how you're going to make a strapless bustier. So don't be like me that was guessing how to make it. So if you want to see my funny history about making a strapless bustier, you can check it on my Instagram. I'm going to post it on my Instagram page or on my TikTok too at Alakoge. So you can check it out there. So I have a very funny history with a strapless bustier like this. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, but thank God for knowledge that I've gained now. I can share it with everyone. So this is what I have here for the front. So let's cut out the back pattern. So the sewing is very simple. Okay, once you're able to draft the pattern like this, you can just cut it on your fabric and stitch together. One thing I really like about drafting pattern and this is that you can actually easily practice. Once you cut it out on your pattern like this, just get any scrap fabric and practice it. Okay, cut it on any scrap fabric you had and practice it. Once you practice it and sew it, you're going to master it. So don't just watch the video, try to do it and see the fit and see if it works or not. Do you understand? So watch how I cut out my pattern. So this is my pattern set. So I'll cut this on fabric, and here I've cut it out on fabric. I'm just going to stitch this together. Do you understand? You just stitching together. I just want to see the finished look of this. So don't just watch this tutorial. I'll be very glad if you go ahead and draft this pattern and cut it out and sew. This won't take you more than between 2-3 hours to do. Okay, so just stitch it and see the fit. You can test the fit of this and see how it's going to be on your body. So please try this out. And I've joined this together, so I'm just going to show us how it looks. So I've joined it the front together here, the side front to the center front, the side back to the center back. I'm just going to go ahead and join them together at the side, and that is all. Okay, that is all for this tutorial. And here is the finished look. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So don't forget, we have several detailed online classes for you, so you can send a DM to the number on the screen on WhatsApp and you'll be attended to. We have several online classes that you can take. So see you in tomorrow. So tomorrow is day 2 of the 5 days bustier making challenge. So see you tomorrow. Bye.